everyone, Melissa here. So today I'm testing out a product that I've seen a lot of on Facebook and ads, and I don't usually jump on this stuff to try and test it out, but I looked through the comments and there were so many comments of people saying that it worked well for dip, that they'd tried it and that they loved it, and now I know some of those comments are bots or people that are paid to do so, but I figured why not give it a try. So this stuff is called Remove Gelly by Tammynail Professional. And the instructions are all in Chinese on the back, but I used Google Translate to get a gist of the instructions. Basically says for number 1 to remove the top coat, number 2 to apply the product to the top of the nail, covering it entirely, and then number 3 is to wait 5 minutes and then to scrape it off. And it does come with this scraping tool. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. I don't want to damage my nail, but I'm willing to try it out. I just want to see how it works, so I'm going to start the process now by filing off my top coats. Alright, here's hoping that's good enough for filing off the top coat. Now I'm going to apply the jelly product to the entire nail. Oops. Okay, so it comes out a lot quicker than I expected it to. And it's making a huge mess. Okay. Alright, that is absolutely disgusting looking, but we'll see what it does. I'm going to now wait 5 minutes. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes. There was, I don't know, kind of a weird, almost slightly tingling sensation for the first minute or so, but that stopped. It wasn't painful or anything. It just felt kind of cold. But now we are just supposed to use this scraper and scrape the tip off. Yeah, there is absolutely no dip coming off with this, I don't think. It's just peeling off the jelly. So I don't know if maybe I didn't file enough off, but at this point soaking off for me would be quicker. It's now been, I don't know, 5 or so minute process. I'd almost be done. I feel like there's no point in me even applying more to see if it would work. That's done. Yeah, that's just the goop, which is everywhere. So I'm gonna rate this product as a complete failure for dip. I don't use gel. It's possible it could work really well for gel removal, but I don't use that, so that would be useless to me. Luckily, they do have a return policy for this, so I'm going to look into that and see if I can get it returned. If not, we'll just call it a loss. But there you go. If you've seen this floating around and you've been thinking that it might work for you for dip nails, I'm going to say that's probably a no. So don't waste your money. All right, thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.